There are two common ways to connect a MacBook to a Samsung monitor or any other monitor, USB-C or HDMI. Both work, but they have different advantages. The easiest method is a USB-C to USB-C. One cable can send video, audio, data, and on many Samsung monitors, smart monitors, charge your MacBook at the same time. The USB-C cable is also easier. You just plug it in here, plug it in here. I shouldn't say easier, but then faster, simpler. It has a cleaner setup, one cable, less clutter. Can charge your MacBook too as well. But I do need to point out that not any USB-C cable will do. These are Apple chargers. This is for a MacBook or iPhone. And it looks the same, but it's actually different. So this right here, this is a Ugreen, and it's what you have to make sure is that it is 4K at 60 hertz. Okay, 4K at 60 hertz. So that does require you to go ahead and purchase a separate USB-C cable, and it's the Ugreen is actually quite affordable on Amazon, so I recommend that. But if your monitor came with an HDMI cable, you can also use that. As you can see on the MacBooks after 2021 or 23, they all came with the HDMI port. So on the back of your monitor, you should find an HDMI port. This one has two. So then one's connected to a PS5. Once you plug it into the monitor, go ahead and plug it into your MacBook. And we're going to go ahead and turn on the monitor. And it should connect. If it's not automatically displaying, go ahead and go to connected devices, and you should see an HDMI option. Go ahead and click that. And it should activate. Make sure that you're on the right HDMI, because I just accidentally went to the PS5. So let's go ahead and go back to connected devices, and we're going to go to HDMI 1. Make sure that's nice and plugged in correctly. Alright, that took a while to load, but as you can see, it is now connected. And depending on your settings, I can now drag this up here. So for most newer Samsung monitor or MacBook users, if you want to connect, USB-C is the easiest option, but HDMI is a great backup if you already have the equipment. If this video has helped, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.